Everyone wants to change their life. Everyone wants to achieve more, become stronger, more confident, more successful. But here's the truth. Most people never move past the starting line. Why? Because they're waiting for motivation. They wait for the perfect moment, the right mood, the spark that will make them act. But that moment never really comes. And even if it does, it disappears just as fast. Because motivation is a spark, bright but short-lived. True strength doesn't come from motivation. It comes from self-discipline. Self-discipline is the ability to do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. It's that inner steel that keeps you moving forward when it's hard, when you're tired, when you're scared. Discipline isn't a prison. It's freedom. The freedom to control your actions, your time, your life. See, as long as your actions depend on your emotions, you're not free. Moods change. Days go wrong. Circumstances turn against you. But when you're disciplined, none of that stops you. Because you've already decided who you are and where you're going. Discipline is the habit of keeping promises to yourself. Every time you do what you said you'd do, you build trust in yourself. And every time you break that promise, you weaken it. That's why self-discipline isn't just a success tool. It's the foundation of confidence. It's what turns dreams into reality. Start small. Most people fail because they try to change everything overnight. Wake up at 5 a.m., go to the gym every day, read a book a week, quit bad habits all at once. But it doesn't work that way. Discipline is built gradually, one small win at a time. Wake up 15 minutes earlier, do a quick workout, read 10 pages. Keep one simple promise to yourself and do it every single day. Those small victories may seem insignificant, but they're what builds your strength. They shape your character. Yes, it will be hard. There will be days when you want to quit, when nothing seems to go right. That's exactly when your power grows. Every time you choose action over excuses, you're training your mind to be stronger. People think discipline means being harsh or punishing yourself. But in truth, discipline is respect. Respect for your goals, your time, and your future. It's the way you tell yourself, I'm worth the effort. I'm capable of more, and I will prove it. You can watch all the motivational videos in the world, read every book, listen to every speech, but nothing will change until you start acting. Discipline isn't about words, it's about action. Every single day, even when no one's watching, even when no one believes in you. And yes, you'll slip up. You'll miss days, you'll fall behind. That's okay. The point isn't to be perfect, it's to be consistent. Every time you get back up and keep going, you move forward. Every comeback makes you stronger. Look around you. The world belongs to those who can keep their word to themselves. The ones who act instead of talking. The ones who don't wait for perfect conditions. Because they know there never will be any. There will always be obstacles, exhaustion, people doubting you. But if you're disciplined, none of that matters. You just keep going. Self-discipline is your armor. It protects you from laziness, procrastination, and fear. It makes you resilient. You stop depending on external things because everything you need is already inside you. Think about what you truly want. Who do you want to be a year from now? 5 years from now? Now ask yourself honestly, if I keep living the way I do now, will I get there? If the answer is no, then it's time to change. Not tomorrow. Not next Monday. Now. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. One step, one action. One day where you do a little more than yesterday. That's how strength is built. That's how confidence grows. That's how success begins. Discipline is your personal revolution. It's your decision to stop being a victim of excuses and start taking responsibility for your life. And once you start acting, you'll feel the shift. You'll feel calmer, sharper, more focused. You'll stop wasting time. You'll start winning. One day you'll look back and realize it all began the moment you said to yourself, "Enough waiting. It's time to act." So stop searching for the perfect moment. Stop postponing your life. It won't magically start on its own. Start now. Take the first step, even a small one, because a small step today is worth more than 1,000 plans for tomorrow. The path to your goal doesn't begin someday. It begins right now, with your decision to move. And if you can stay true to yourself, if you can build real self-discipline, then nothing in the world can stop you. Self-discipline isn't limitation. It's strength. It's freedom. Take it and start.